Make the ground shake.
I think this is my worst review. I don't like it. Okay, Deluxe. What? I don't read it. I don't read it. And I think tomorrow I will make a video about all of this. Maybe. I don't know. If I have time. The Deluxe Vortex Grenade. Color. I don't like it. But you see the damage is 5,000. Okay, first, let's get out of here. We are in 4 star. One more star. The tank will attack us. Or the helicopter. The bastard. Okay, we didn't get it. Okay. I didn't see any people up here because I wanted. Let's go back when I don't have stars. Okay, bye. Okay, we're back. Let's throw the gun. Nice. I like it, but the other one I don't like. Because when I throw it, it's only good distance. And this, wow. I like the color blue of that, the Deluxe. Okay, the next one. And remember that if you want to join my gang, just comment below. I will accept you when the gang event starts. Okay. The next is the Heartstopper. I think I got it in the chocolate box. Tell me guys if you love my review. This is my first review because many players. Okay. I like this grenade. It's cool. It's not really strong, but you see this is really good. Okay. Let's use the other gun, other grenade. Okay, let's go up. I will get the one. Yes. Forget. Okay, the next one is the football grenade. I got it in the football box, I think. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, my video is lag. Because I don't have memory more now. That's, and guys, thanks my subscribers. Thanks for all of my subscribers. And guys, please watch the other video to get more reviews. Okay, that's it. Okay. Let's use in here. I don't have any MD, so I need to pass. Okay. So let's use here the all of my boom. You see how many damage that it can do. Let's go. Boom. Nice. Nicest thing. Boom. I can fly. Boom. You see? I can fly. Boom. Okay, the next one. The last one. And guys, if you love The Walking Dead, just go in my channel and you can see about The Walking Dead. I made in I think in on Christmas. Yeah. Now is the game point grenade. It's tennis grenade. Tennis ball grenade. Okay, let's use more grenade. Okay. The level 2 and the strong one. I don't need the key anymore because I got it every day. For key every day. Because I'm VIP gold. If you are VIP gold, you can get 4 keys every day. If you log in. But if you didn't log in, I think you can get it. Let's destroy this tank. I hope we destroy it. Oh, yeah. We destroy it. And guys, if you want a challenge for me, just comment below. And I will accept you. Okay, plus. And guys, I will show you how to get a diver in the Gangsta Vegas. It's a glitch. You see, just go to back again. And click again and go back and go open inside and you will see you can okay. I think it's good. Okay, let's make another one. It's not perfect, right? Okay, let's use here. Oh no, in the police. Look to when is driving you. Okay, and do it again and go inside. And I'm inside to the police. You see? And I can kill any person. But if the police is a driver, he can stop you because he is a police. You know the police. I can drive because he okay guys. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like it. I hope you will like my video. And thanks for watching. Bye.